Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create a slide to unlock feature. The slide to unlock feature was introduced to address the issue of malicious form submissions. While traditional methods like filling out captchas were initially effective, advancements in image recognition technology have made it possible for automated systems to bypass these security measures. To counteract this, many websites have incorporated the slide to unlock feature in their form designs. This feature requires users to perform a sliding gesture, which is more difficult for automated systems to replicate accurately. Next, let's make it by first setting up the widgets. First, make a placeholder. Drag in a rectangle and an ellipse. Right-click and select Transform Shape Unite to unite them. Drag another ellipse and right-click to select Transform Shape Subtract to subtract the shapes. Add an inner shadow to this placeholder and change the opacity to appear embedded in the image. Duplicate it, change its opacity to 100% as a dragging element. Then we drag in a rectangle and a circle to make drag bar and drag handle. Add shadows to the drag handle and change the border color. Change the fill color of the drag bar. Then we drag in a rectangle, change its style, input text, and use it as a success message. Duplicate it, change the text, and use it as a failure message. Select the dragging element and name it Shape 1. Select the placeholder and name it Shape 2. Next, we drag and drop two vertical lines to create the trigger area. Named Line 1 and Line 2 respectively, we need some redundancy, so we place them inside the dragging element. Bring them to back. Select the drag handle and create it as a dynamic panel. Next, let's set up the interactions. Add dragged interaction. Move this with drag X. Then name the bar track. Add boundaries to the move of the dynamic panel, with left greater than or equal to the X of the track and the right is less than the right of the track. Then copy and paste the interactions. Choose Shape 1. Then add a drag-dropped interactions. Add conditions. If area of widget shape 1 is over area of line 1 and area of widget shape 2 is over area of line 2. Move shape 1 to shape 2.x and display the message verification succeeded. Else if, move shape 1 to the position before dragging x, y. Show the message verification failed. Hide the messages of verification succeeded and verification failed. Then we disabled ellipse in case one of the drag-dropped event. Then add a condition if is disabled of ellipse equals false to the dragged event. Change this to ellipse. Change this to ellipse. Preview the prototype. When we drag the dragging element and move it within the range, release the mouse, the verification succeeded message is shown. And you cannot drag handle anymore. Otherwise, the verification failed message will be shown. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.